welcome to Arbor Upcycle. Just want to give you a brief description of what we're doing in the video today. We had a poplar tree in a client's yard about 3 years ago that we fell and slabbed up on site with our Alaskan mill. We set it off to the side of his house. They were dried for 3 years, and we just went and picked up the slabs, got them surfaced, and then we're starting our book match table and matching benches. So now we have our 2 benches cut, which these straight edges here will go against the table legs. So the outside perimeter will look like the live edge and will be matching to the table. You want to take 2 slabs that are from the tree that were next to each other, sister slabs. You can see I made a triangle here, and this will tell me how it lines up. And then this is going to ensure us that when we make this mark, if this is where we want our book match and that's on the other end, then when we put our saw here and we cut this, this will end up being like a mirror image when it's a book match. If it's off one way or the other, when you cut it and flip it, it's not going to line up and match anymore. Now that we've got them lined up, put the best tool on, clamped it down. Now we're just going to cut these and get ready to book match this up. Okay, so now we are going to be putting the dominoes or the dowels into our book match before we end up gluing it up. And this will just add some little bit of strength on the seam. So as you see, I've done my layout of where I want them, transferred it to both. And now we're gonna put our dominoes in, and we got all of our glue on, and then we're gonna lay it down in the pipe clamps, and then we're gonna clamp this thing up.